Things in this 1976 one-owner home that just make sense. Bright floral and fun, colorful printed wallpaper throughout the home. A hand-painted floral light fixture located in the kitchen. This formal dining room has vaulted ceilings and is surrounded by 4 lattice walls that add in so much character and really make it the focal point of the home. Original to 1976 parquet flooring. Call me old-fashioned or crazy, but I love the sunken living room vibe. This room features the original wood panels on the walls, more vaulted ceilings, lots of natural light. So special. If you see the potential in this home, reach out to me for more details.